Pakistani officials thanked China for providing timely assistance to the country's flood-hit areas. The National Disaster Management Authority of Pakistan said on Sunday that the death toll from this season's monsoon rain and flood since mid-June has risen to around 1,695 along with 12,865 others injured. China has provided relief funds, tents, and blankets, among other things, to the flood-affected people in Pakistan.
The devastation required unprecedented support to rescue and rehabilitate the over 33 million displaced Pakistanis. China once again stepped forward to lend assistance across the board, for which we are grateful.
I would like to avail this opportunity to extend my profound gratitude to the government and people of China for immediately extending robust flood relief assistance to Pakistan in the wake of this year's super flood.
Their empathy and generosity has touched our hearts, and we will never forget their invaluable support in this hour of great difficulty. Truly, we are iron brothers.
We are grateful to the leadership and the people of the China for standing shoulder to shoulder with Pakistan and its people in critical situations.
As I appreciate the Chinese people and the government who had supported Pakistan in this hard time of flood,
I would like to thank our great time-tested friend and neighbor, the People's Republic of China, for their resolute, reliable and resilient support to Pakistan during difficult moments